Alright, let's try something different. Let's make meatballs. Clean out the refrigerator. Getting rid of those bacon bits. Throw an egg in there. All the seasonings. What am I going to go with? Parsley? Yeah, why not? Celery seed? Sure. Rosemary? Why not? Oregano? Of course. Basil? That's Italian. Thyme? Of course. Italian seasoning, gotta throw that in there. Pepper and sage. So let's get rid of some of the stuff. That's nothing but filler. Gotta get rid of the bacon. I put pork in it, it'll be different. So stay tuned, we'll see how it comes out. Okay, all the seasonings are in. 1 egg or 2? Yeah, let's go with 1. And we'll just mix it all up, and I like little meatballs. The way they last longer. How about 1 big meatball, eh? That's so on a big a meatball. Nah, I don't think so. Every time I cook, never tastes the same, because I don't measure anything. I just play. Well, is that enough meatballs? Let's cook them up a little bit, see if I can get some of that grease out of it. Ladies, what am I doing wrong? What ingredients did I miss? Or what ingredients shouldn't I have put in there? But that's a whole lot of meat. And at my age, I should be cutting back. But maybe next week. Thumbs up, subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Alright, all I'm going to do is let it simmer, boil, simmer for hours. It'll just be fabulous. Put it on 3. Get all the time in the world. Cooking's not hard, folks. Quick and easy. Better than a restaurant. Portions are bigger. And just eat what you like. Okay, check the time. 12:58. And we'll let it simmer for at least a couple hours. When you cook, clean up your mess as you go. Makes life so much easier. If you wait until after you're done, you get 20 dishes and plates and bowls, and it's just frustrating. Do it as you're cooking or as you're waiting. Wash the bowls, wash the pots. Clean as you go. Makes life easier, faster, more efficient, and makes the time to eat much more enjoyable. Okay, how's it coming? Meatballs. Always taste different. There's one. Try to get some of the grease out. Wait until that red, that's grease. Let's see how they are. That is just fabulous. Taste the bacon in it. Wow. And the seasonings. Gotta try your own thing, folks. Just fabulous. When was the last time you had pudding? It's a good way to get rid of milk, especially just before it gets sour. All it takes is 2 cups of milk and mix it. 5 minutes, you've got dessert. Look at that. And we all know milk is good for you. Check out the vitamins. Well, maybe not so much. If it tastes good, it's a good way to get rid of milk. Milk's got all the vitamins. Chocolate pudding. Doesn't get any better than that, folks. Quick and easy. Meatball sandwich. I could eat this all day, every day. And I will. Thumbs up, subscribe. Doesn't get any better than this. Meatball sandwich, meatball grinder, meatball hoagie. What do you call it? Delicious.